Good morning, students. This is class 3 subject English reasoning. Today we are going to start English reasoning class. The topics we are covering today in this class is odd one out, similar meanings, jumbled words, solve the grid. So let's start with the meaning of English reasoning. So before we proceed to the main topic, we need to understand what is English reasoning. What does it mean? The ability of the mind to think and understand things in a logical way. Means we are going to learn about English reasoning to develop our logical thinking. Means you get to start to use your mind in solving the questions. This will make you think how the question is made and how you have to react it to make its answer correctly. So let's start with our questions. So students, let's start with our first question. Circle the odd word in each row. Odd word means we have to find out the different one. We have to find out the different word from the words given below. In this first part, cushion, blanket, table, towel is given. So cushion, blanket and towel is made up of cloth and table is made up of wood. So this one is different one. Second, hair, comb, oil, window. In such a way, hair, comb, oil are attached in such a way and window is different. Same like that, in third, pond, earth, moon and sun is given. We all know that pond is a name of a water body and earth, moon, sun is a name of a planet. So pond is different one. In D part, brinjal, apple, beans, potato is given, where apple is a name of a fruit and the other parts are a name of a vegetable. I hope you understood. Now come to question number 2. Match the words with similar meaning. Here, happy is given. Now what we have to do in this question is, we have to match the other word which has same meaning of happy. Means different name but same meaning. So happy, we can find out wind. Wind is not a name of a happy. Pulse, light and glad. Yes, glad is a second name of a happy. When we say we are happy, we can also say we are glad. In this way, gentle is given. Gentle means light. So here we can write light. Breeze. Breeze, we all know that breeze is a name of a wind. So we put C here. Wind is a name of a breeze and breeze is a name of a wind. Now come to tugs. Tugs means pulls. Tugs means pulls. So we can write here D as an answer of tugs. Now come to finish. We all know that finish. If we say we have finished our work. Now we can also say that we have come to end our work. So here comes E. I hope you all understood. Now come to the correct spellings of jumble words. Jumble words are given. We have to correct their spelling by rearranging them. So A, B, Y, B. Now we have to think which new word can be made from these 4 letters. So if I write here B, A, B, Y, baby. Baby comes from this 4 letters. It made a new word. Now R, C, A. If I rearrange them in A, C, R is not any word. If I say C, A, R, yes, car. Car is made from these 3 letters. Same here, L, O, C, O. If I rearrange them in O, O, C, L, no any word has a meaning of it. When I say C, O, O, L, yes, cool. Cool has a meaning in a word. Now, when we move to the next word, PLAPE, no word we can make apple. A, double P, L, E. We have to think. We have to stop and think what new word can be made from these letters, which has a meaning, which has an appropriate meaning. I hope you all understood. So students, move on to our next question, that is 4th question. Find and circle the words related to library given in the box in the word grid. Like what we have to do in this question is we have to find out those words, those action words or the things which are used in library, which we can find in library. So what we have to do in this, how we have to do this, how we have to solve the grid, we have to see vertically first, okay, then we move on like this, and then we'll see the horizontally. First we have to move on vertically. So here in first line there is no any word is being made. In second line, yes, WRITE we write in the library, so we have to circle it. Now move on to third one, learn, LEARN, yes, learn is the most important work we do in library. Next, in fourth line, there is no any word, nor here also. So we are not finding any word vertically here in these lines. Yes, but in 7th line, READ, read, we read in library. Move on to next, there is no any word. See, we have to say these letters S, V, Z, S, I, A, M, E. No any word is being made from these letters. So now we have to see horizontally. Yes, tables, TABLES, tables we can easily find in libraries. In second line, there is no any word. Then in third, silence. We can find out silence in library. In next, yes, CHAIRS, chairs, tables and chairs we do find in library. Then in next, no any word which has a meaning. No. What else we can find in library are books. This is the most important role they play in library. Then last word, I guess, is a knowledge. Knowledge, KNOWLEDGE. Knowledge we get from library by reading books, by writing books, being silence. We use chairs and tables in library. So we have these words in library. So in this way you have to solve the grid. First you can go with vertically or horizontally, but one by one you have to move on. And this is it for this class, students. Now I'll see you in another class. Till then you have to revise, do practice of the grids, similar meanings, jumbled words, odd one out, and enjoy.